Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So for this card we start with a normal A4 paper and we fold it in half like the way I am doing it. Then we take 1 centimeter from both sides, then 3 centimeters and make 2 lines like this. Now we have to join these 2 lines. Again we have to take 3 centimeters from both sides and make similar lines like the first one. Again we have to join these lines and we have to keep repeating this. Again 3 centimeters from both sides. Yes, join this again. Now we take 2 centimeters from both sides and we again make the length is 3 centimeters here. So the drawing part is done. Now the cutting part. First we are going to cut this. Now using a ruler you can fold it both ways so that it is easy to fold. You have to fold it inwards like this and make 2 cuts again. Again fold this portion also in a similar way inside. Again 2 cuts on both sides. Fold and repeat. And finally the last portion we are going to cut and again fold and repeat. Now it will open like this. You can use it like this also, but because the next part is a bit complicated. Yes, you have to fold the inside part and make 2 cuts like this. So now when you open up it will become this way. Now you have to fold it. Yes, and it will open like this. Now we start coloring. I am using my brush DOMS pastel brush pens because I love pastel colors. You can use any color that you like. So I am using most of them, making it really colorful. After this, we can make a black outline on all for a neater look. Now we are going to write best teacher. So best is on top and each alphabet of teacher you can write on one on the squares. Now we are going to take a normal origami sheet paper and we are going to cut hearts out of these. Now I have made many colors. There is pink, there is yellow, green and there is blue. Now we are going to stick these hearts like I am showing you. Now we are going to write Happy Teachers Day on these hearts. And down you can write from and your name. Now for the outer portion we are taking a thick paper -200 GSM and we stick the inner paper to that. Now for the top design I am making curves like this. Then again I am using DOMS pastel brush pens to make a design like this. You can make any design. You can use any colors that you like. So the coloring is almost done. Now we are going to take a thick black pen or a sketch pen to make the outline. Now using a ruler we are going to make straight vertical lines down. And make small hearts at the end of each line. Again I am going to color them with my pastel colors. And we are going to write Happy Teachers Day down. We are going to make some few more hearts here and there. And our final card is ready. Thank you.